Hi, it's Mary. Welcome to another episode of Chinese lesson. In today's lesson, we're going to learn a Chinese tongue twister. This tongue twister tells you the difference between number 4 and number 10 in Chinese. A lot of people cannot tell the difference between number 4 and number 10 because they cannot properly articulate the sound s and sh in Chinese. So without any further ado, let's get into this. 4是4，10是10， 14是14， 40是40。莫把4字说成10，休将10字说成4。Translate this into English, it would be 4 is 4, 10 is 10, 14 is 14, 40 is 40. Don't mistake 4 for 10, nor 10 for 4. Okay, let's repeat. 4是4， 10是10， 14是14， 40是40。莫把4字说成10，休将10字说成4。Okay, when it comes to number 4, it sounds like a snake is making a sound. 4 4 4. And when it's number 10, it sounds like someone is telling you to quiet down. Shh, shh, shh. 10 10 Shh, shh, shh. 10 Okay, what else did we learn in this tongue twister? Number 14 and 40. Right? Okay, let's repeat them. 14 14 14 14 40 40 40 40. Alright, let's review everything we have learned in this tongue twister. 4 4 10 10 14 14 40 40. This tongue twister actually teaches you a lot of information. Not only it tells you the difference between number 4 and number 10, it further explains the difference between Chinese consonants s and sh. I will cover pinyin in later lessons because that's too much information for today. Also, when we put number 4 and number 10 together, we get 14. And if we switch the position of the two numbers, we get 40. So Chinese numbers are also very easy to learn and memorize. I will also teach you that part in later lessons. Okay, at last, let's practice this tongue twister. 4是4， 10是10， 14是14， 40是40。莫把4字说成10，休将10字说成4。One more time. 4是4， 10是10， 14是14， 40是40。莫把4字说成10，休将10字说成4。Okay, if you can now tell the difference between number 4 and number 10, you can practice this tongue twister. It's okay if you don't recognize everything in this tongue twister. It's just something to learn for fun in the process. I will see you in the very next lesson. Bye!